Oh, you're really going over your time limit. You get a budget and we had an allowance for you and it's too much. We didn't think it was going to be. Shut up. How's that sound? You're the contractor. You should have it in your contract that when we open up walls and find some unforeseen issues that cause additional work beyond the original scope, that it's an additional cost. And that shit happens all the time. I mean, look at this spaghetti pecs. That's disgusting. I'm not changing that, but I just wanted to point that out. What I am changing is this wet vent. Everything's flat. Everything's back pitched. That 3x2Y is literally, it's not rolled above the center line. It's almost rolled below the center line. And it was holding a bunch of sewage. So that's what we're changing, and that's what the contractor's complaining about. Well, why didn't you just leave it? It probably would have passed. It's been there for 15 years. They passed it the first time. Yeah, they probably would have passed it. But you never know when you're going to piss the guy off slamming the call button at 7:55 in the morning. You know he doesn't open inspection phones until 8 o'clock in the morning, but you know he's in there and he can see your missed calls. Now he's pissed off and he fails it. I got to go back and cut it out anyway, and I don't have time to do any of that. Then you're probably going to bitch that I'm not done on time. So I'm going to do the work. I'm going to bill you. You're going to take it up with the customer and say, hey, we had to change this. That's what I don't get. I don't know what they're bitching about. They're always like, the world's ending. Like, they're not going to be able to collect the money. You should have that in your contract. You're going to collect the money. You're going to pay me first. And then that's your problem to deal with after. And yeah, it could just be the nature of the game. And it's tough to find a good contractor that really does things right and understands. And they all have allowances and budgets. But you're not plumbers. Just ask me for a price. Or don't be surprised when there's an extra. I'm not ripping you off. I'm not doing stuff. I'm not selling you stuff that you don't need or the customer doesn't need. I'm doing my job. That's what you hired me to do. I'm supposed to bring it up to code and pass inspection the first time. That's what I did. So pay me. And that's my rant for this project. Unfortunately, I couldn't help out the PEX B that much. I just cut out the shark bite fittings that were there and put some real PEX B fittings in its place and called it a day. I think the PVC came out pretty good though.